What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Today's vlog is today we're putting the suspension on my son's hatch. I come home. Yeah, he's got it all laid out. He's ready. He said he doesn't want me to help. He wants me to guide him. Obviously, I'm gonna put my hands in there every now and then, but I remember when I was doing it under this hot sun at his age. I was up early in the morning the next day. It was like Christmas to me. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Hopefully you'll see this thing lowered with a nice little stance. It's looking pretty, it's coming together, man. It's looking pretty good, the car. So let me go get this guy, see if he's ready for this work.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm with the gang, and we about to go up. Switching lanes, it's a thing.
Now we got 3 seconds to get all our lives out, okay?
Ready to go to work?
Welcome back, guys. This is your boy, Son of Switching Lanes. We're gonna lower this EP3. Let's go.
Where are you, man? Oh, there he is.
Valve cover for sale. Anyone want it? $20.
What are you doing?
Take this out
For what?
to get to the coil.
To get to what?
To the top of the coil.
All right, we could do that from inside of the car. We'll lower the back seats. Isn't it that compartment right there? That line?
No, it should be right here.
Yeah, right there. In there. Why do you think that's lined out the way it is? That looks like it comes out.
How you push it?
We'll do all that from the inside, but don't worry about the top. The top is last. We do the bottom first, then we take the bolts on the top and everything drops. So start with the most important thing. Jack it up so we can put the jack stands on the bottom. Look at my roommate.
Are you vlogging?
Bro, yeah, I'm vlogging, bro. You on YouTube. Bro, clean this car, bro. You on YouTube. It's embarrassing. Yo, look, she's on her way. She's taking Brian to his soccer game. What's that, Brazil? Hey, it is Brazil. Brazil. Family. Family. Go. Wait, let her come out. You know where to put it, right?
Yep.
So she said. Oh man, look, it's a beautiful day out here, man. It's so nice. Decent weather to be working on a car. And get that little tow hook right there. Look at the EP3 wagging its tail, so happy. Oh man, it's a moon out here. Arr.
Trying to get it right. Perfect.
You got it, man. Just lift it up. You're just gonna get enough to get the wheels off the ground. Put the jack stands and you lower it back down. So, we got one side done in the back. Honestly, this was the easiest coilover setup that I've done in the rear. Pause. In a long time. It was one bolt on the bottom and 2 on the top hat, and it slid right down. No fussing with the lower control arm bolt, nothing. I mean, I've never done an EP3 suspension on the EP3, so yeah. Right now he's just tightening the bolts on the top hat, and we're just gonna move on to the next side. Hopefully that goes well. Front. I don't know why I said that twice, but you know what I mean. Ooh, it's hot out here. The sun is beaming. Look at that. Ooh, let me go get some water. Ooh. This looks like all you see is his rear end today. But the second side, the driver's side, is done already. He's just tightening up the top hat. Side the wheel is on already. We lower it. But my measurements should be right above the tire. Just a little bit. And then we're off to the front. So we working. So if y'all don't know this, we ended up moving from where we were over there to over here. One of my neighbors came up to me and told me just to be careful about doing the mechanics because they were giving him an issue when he was doing his. So, but the rear's done. He's squatting back there, right on top of the tire, just how I want. I gave it like a finger. Pause. A finger of space. But yeah, I'm working on the passenger side right now. Honestly, man, this is relatively easy. EP3. I'll do suspension on the EP3 anytime. Some big bolts though, I'll tell you that much. Look at this big bolt. Look at this. This is a 19. This should be a chassis bolt. And it's on this shock. I feel so secure knowing that these bolts are on this shock. Like, look at this. This is massive. And this side's the 19 mil. You can see. And this side, I didn't even have to put a wrench on it. Because once I spun it off, it came out pretty quick. This side doesn't even fit a 19. This side is probably like a 20, 21 millimeter, something like that. But yeah, so we got to clean under here. But yeah, I sent my son to go get a 15 millimeter. Yeah, 15. I'm not used to working with 15 millimeters on Hondas, but look at the top hat. I got these two, and this little one back here is hard to get to, so I need a ratchet and a socket. So we working. Guys, you're back. You're back to witness us bringing the jack down. Been seeing this guy's crack all video. This video is sponsored by Ray's Crack. Go. Go. Okay, so, all right, bring the e-brake down. So it's looking like
this is higher.
The front can go down a lot lower. Guys, so we're, let's say 90% done. Squatted. The front's a little up. We went to readjust it, and the tie rod bolt is stripped. So yeah, FML. So like I said, 90% done. I'm tired. I'm done for the day. These Hondas is always something. Everything went fine. We saw that the front was a little bit raised, a little bit too, we wanted to bring it more down. So we went back up under there to take everything off, readjust it. The tie rod bolt is stripped. This is what happens when you deal with a lot of old stuff. So now we got to change the tie rods. And in that process, we'll lower the front and we'll get it right. But I'm done for the day. Thank you for joining me on another vlog. Man, I'm tired. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm tired. But yeah. Appreciate you spending some time with me today. Like, comment, subscribe. I don't care. Negative comments, positive comments. Just acknowledge that you're watching my channel. But I'm tired, man. I'll see you guys again. Hopefully better luck next time. Peace out.
Oh yeah. I'm with the gang, and we bout to go up. Switching lanes, it's a thing.